Good morning, my little kids. How are you today? Let's make quick revision. Yes, we took s, t, 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 t. Okay, now we took s, and t. Look what I bring for you. What are these? Yes, it's a car. It will help us today. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, now we took s, and look at this car. This car standing on s. After s, there is a. After s, a. What is the car doing now? It is moving. It is moving from s to a. While the car moving, we are going to pronounce the sound like this. Sa. Again. Sa. Sa. Look at this again. Let's make the car moving. Sa. Sa. Very good. And now there is t. And the car is standing on the t sound. After t sound there is a. After the t there is a. Now let's make the car move. Very good. Ta. Again. Ta. Again. Ta. Again. Ta. So now it's ta. Ta. So if you remember, we took sa and ta. Okay, now it's sa, and the last sound it's t. The last sound is t. So how can I read these? Let's remember this again. Sa, t. Excellent. Sa, t. Sa, t. Again. Sa, t. Very good. It's sat. So if I want to read, I have to bring a little card to help me reading. While it's moving, I'm going to pronounce the sound. While it's moving, I'm going to pronounce the sound. Okay, don't forget to make like, share, subscribe, and follow on the Instagram. See you next time. Bye.